Happy New Year mga iVolunteer! Thank you for sharing your adventure with us this 2016. 4,500 of you helped 42 of our partner NGOs that produce 610 volunteer events with 18,000 volunteer opportunities. We were overwhelmed by the support that you have given us last March during the Go Volunteer Expo. 20,000 of you participated to understand how you can move this country. Thank you also for the support that you have given us online through our 5 major campaigns. We now have a total of 38,000 social media followers trusting us. Thank you also for investing time to learn more about the different social issues through attending our volunteer community meetups. We have also invested time to help our NGO partners to synergize their programs and share resources through our NGO community meetups. We also want to thank our major partners this year, Ayala Mall for the Go Volunteer Expo, 2nd Avenue for the TV campaign Everyday Heroes, PPCRV for the manual parallel counting last elections, and UNDP for the third-party monitoring. We also want to thank the following institutions for giving us the opportunity to share our voice on volunteerism: Net25, Radio 5, Radio Inquirer, DZXL, DWAD, DZMM, DSWD, Philippine National University, and St. Therese College. Thank you also for supporting our 2 fundraising events, which will continue to support our ongoing operations. Lastly, we want to thank the following institutions for giving us recognitions for the work that we have done this year: the Philippine and ASEAN Rice Bowl Awards, Be the Boss Awards, and the CSR Youth Awards. Again, thank you very much for the support that you have given us on our advocacy. We look forward to having more adventures with you this coming 2017. Sa ngalan po ng lahat ng bumubuo ng iVolunteer Philippines, saludo po kami sa inyo.